How to build an online store website on Wix. Hey guys, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an online store website using Wix.com to sell your products. So let's get into it. First of all, what you guys need to do is you're going to go to Wix.com and you will land right here. Wix.com is a platform that allows you to build website. You can create your online store here. You can create your own blog, portfolio website, and much more. With easy to edit editor we have on Wix, we can customize a lot of different templates and also publish a professional website. So let's get into it. First of all, you require an account on Wix.com. So you're going to get to the website and then you can click on Get Started. You can actually create your account on Wix with your Google account and there's no credit card required. You can do it for free. So after the initial sign up or sign into your Wix, you will get right here. You can see this is my dashboard and I have a lot of different websites already created. Today, I will be creating a new online store website where I will be selling my products. So let's get into it. We're going to click on create new site and it will take us to get started with a website. Now we have the option to choose what platform we want to go for. We have the Wix Classic and then we have Editor X. So I'm going to use the Wix Classic because it's simple to use and I have already created some websites with Wix Classic. So this is our free website builder. What kind of website you are looking for? So I'm looking for an online store. And then what kind of online store? We have an online store for accessories, we have art stone, we have shoe store, a beauty store, and much more. So what I'm going to do is I will be creating a store for the accessories. So I'm going to select this one. And now we have to give our store a name. So this is the name for my online store that I have. Now I'm going to click on next. And now we can choose what kind of pages we want within our store. So in an online store, we have this one right here, sell your products or find new products to sell. Then we have a chat option. This is really important for the visitors and the customers. Then we have forms. So I will not be going with a form here. And then we have portfolio, booking, event, and blog. So if you have a booking website, if you have a business like that, then you can choose these. Now I'm going to click on next. And now we can go to our dashboard and we can start designing our website. We can begin with a custom built site or we can actually go with a template. So let's choose a template and then customize it. So within our templates, I'm going to go to the store section here, and in store we have accessories here. You can actually choose a lot of different store templates here. You can see we have fashion and clothing, we have arts and crafts, we have home and decor, beauty and wellness, food and drinks, sports and outdoor, electronics, kids, books, and pets as well. So my store is like this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose the perfect template here. Wix has a lot of different templates for us, and if you want to actually check out some of the templates for an e-commerce, there is already a video on the channel that will show you the best templates for e-commerce and fashion. So let's go ahead and choose this one right here. I can get a preview of the template and then click on edit. And now we have our template right here. This is the template that I selected. And you can see it has all of the different products here, and the products are quite similar to what I am selling. So that is why I went with this template right here. At the top right here, inside our editor.wix.com, we have the site option that will give me the publish option right here. Also, the publish option is given here. You can see the button. Similarly, we have create a new site and more. Then we have settings here where I will be able to connect my domain, get a mailbox, and more. Then we have a dev mode 2, hire a professional, and help. When it comes to the pages of the website, with this template, I got the page of home, collection, location, about, and contact. And when it comes to the store pages, I have a product page, collection page, card page, and thank you page, which is perfect. And then we have member pages, my subscription, my account, my wallet, my address, my wish list, and my orders. Perfect. So these are all of the pages that you need in an online store when you're working with Wix. So this is our editor right here. So we have add elements. In add elements, I'll be able to add almost anything in my Wix website. So we can add the text, image, button, strips, decoratives, box, gallery. Then we have video and music. We have interactives. We have social code, a store, and booking. So now it depends on you totally how you want to edit your website. Of course, it takes some time to edit a website. You will upload the photos you want to add. You will change the name. You will add the products. So let me actually give you a quick review of how we do that, so you will have a better idea, and then you'll be good to go, and you will be able to edit a online store in Wix. We also have the ad section here, and then again we have the menu and pages, we have site design, we have ad apps, my business, media, and then at the end we have a content manager. In order to edit the website, it's a very simple editor. What you're going to do is you're going to click right here on the text. You can see in the header we have the brand name. So of course I will edit it out and I will add the name right here like this. Now I can change the font, I can change the size of the text a little bit. Let's actually increase and make it bigger like this. Perfect. Now I can change the button as well. So click on the button, click on change text, and this says shop collection. You can change it to my products or click here too. We have a background image in the right here in this section. I can change it as well. Click on the section and then you can see change slide background. So I can click right here and this is the one that I have right now. I can change it to something else, and here I will actually upload the image from our media so that it aligns with our brand and our products. Similarly, if I take you to other pages, I'll be able to, of course, edit them out. I can go to the About page. So editing is really easy with Wix. If you want to add an element, how you do it, you click on Add Element, and then let's say I want to add a decorative to my website. So I'm going to go right here and select the one I want to go for. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this one and it will be added on your website. And now you can actually, it's a free move option we have here. So you'll be able to actually move it very freely and you can place it wherever you want to, add it on your website. Similarly, I can click on add elements and I want to add a video to my website. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the video and music section and then I'm going to go to the this one right here and select this. So you just add it and it's added on your website and then you can place it wherever you want it to be. So it will be added. You can see now I can move the video and place it wherever I want right here. When it comes to adding products to your online store, you're going to go to the product page from here and this is our product page right here. Then you will get the manage product option. Click here and it will open up your store dashboard for you where you will get all of your online store options and settings. So you can see right here we have 8 products listed, but I'm going to go ahead and add more products. So to add a new product, you can click on add product right here and you can also edit these out and kind of like delete these products because these are not our product. This comes with the template, or you can customize it completely. Still it will have the same, the layout and everything. And this side of the screen we have home, activity, we have video library, we have inventory option, product categories, then we have orders, gift cards, subscription and loyalty program. So all of these settings will be inside your dashboard for your store. To add a new product, click on add new product and now we can select physical product or digital file as well. So I'm going to go with the physical product, but we can also sell digital products with Wix. So this is how you add a product. Add your product name. You're going to add the title. Then we can upload the image and video. Then we have a product info. We have description, pricing. Scroll down to add product options such as variants. Then we have shipping and inventory. Then we have pre-orders and subscription. This is how you will add a product on your online store that you created with Wix. Once you're done with the editing and with your store, what you're going to do is you're going to connect your domain as well or get a domain with Wix. After that, you can click on publish and your online store will be published with Wix.com. So it's really easy to create an online store. I showed you how to get started and get right here inside your Wix editor and edit out a professional website. You can use any of the templates available so that it becomes really easy for you as a complete beginner to create an online store on Wix and sell your products. Create an online professional store with Wix and run a successful business online. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.